Hello, everyone. Thanks for attending. A couple of weeks ago, I sent a message to our workforce, and I copied some selected customers, some selected suppliers and business partners. The feedback was very positive. I thought I'd follow up with this message on Facebook, live on Facebook, in order to tell you in particular what we did in terms of this COVID-19 situation. First of all, I have to say that we are dealing with an extraordinary situation. We've not seen that in the past. It's causing a lot of anxiousness. It's causing a lot of unease. We can feel that. We can feel that in our interactions with colleagues. We can feel that in our interactions with friends. We can feel that in our interactions even on the streets. People are stressed. People are anxious. And that is completely understandable. That COVID-19 situation, by the way, comes on top of our local problems here in Lebanon, which started back in October 2019, our financial, economic, political problems. So that puts anxiousness at another level. Let me start by telling you what we did as ITG when we saw that this pandemic was going to evolve and stay for some time. We've set two priorities for our group. First of all, the safety, the well-being of our workforce, of our colleagues, of our employees, of our customers, and of our business partners. Second, ensuring business continuity. Let me start with the measures, the precautionary measures, which we took with regards to the safety first. We took three sets of measures. First, we ensured awareness. We've sent messages over social media, emails to our employees in order to tell them more, because that was something new. We had to change our habits. We put signage in the elevators, in the washrooms, in the offices, explaining a little bit the safety and the hygiene measures that have to be taken. Second, we provided disinfection items, gels. We put that on all floors of our building, in all conference rooms, in all offices. And we provided also masks and face shields, in particular for our mobile workforce. So people that are serving customers, are delivering products to our customers, etc. And third, we implemented some social distancing measures in our offices by implementing shifts in our workforce. So people were starting to work from home. That's on the first level of health and safety. Second, business continuity. It was very important for us to ensure business continuity and to be close to our customers who had needs at that time. So we provided all our workforce with the required IT tools to be able to work remotely. We implemented Microsoft Teams across all our organization, in addition to providing orientation sessions on the use of that platform. And in fact, we encouraged a lot interactions between our workforce, so even internal interactions, but also with our suppliers, with our business partners, and with our customers. So, you know, we are a conservative company. We are a 50-year-old group, and our culture is about, coming to the office at 8 in the morning, staying till late afternoon. And this matter of working remotely was not really in our culture. But you know what? We discovered that people are as efficient in working from home as they are efficient in working in the office. In fact, people that are very efficient in the office are also very efficient at home. And I have to say also that people that are not efficient in the office, don't change their habits at home. So That changed our conception of work. And in fact, in ITG, we've asked all our business unit managers to study that matter with their teams and come up with plans for implementing this work from home policy as a standard policy across ITG for the long term. This will allow us to be more efficient, to be more resilient, but also to save costs in terms of rental space and similar issues. I want to take this opportunity also to thank our workforce, to thank each and every member of our organization who took really extra miles to come to the office against all odds and ensure business continuity. We are passing through a very difficult period on the personal level for people, but also on the professional level. And we've passed through difficult periods in the past. I don't know how much the situation will stay, but what I am sure of is that we will prevail, we will get out of it. And when we will get out of it, we will be stronger. But this is a time of effort. This is a time of where we have to be strong and we have to be resilient. I can assure our employees, but I want also this message to be conveyed to our business partners, to our suppliers. ITG is extremely resilient. Our group is extremely resilient. My message wouldn't be complete unless I thank whom I call the frontliners, people who are there on site, serving customers. And in fact, this pandemic came in a very, I would say, abrupt way, whereby in the context of our business, regional business in the Gulf, in Africa, people were locked in the various territories. I want to thank them on behalf of ITG. We are here in Lebanon. We are here surrounded by our loved ones, and we know how difficult the situation is. So we can imagine how difficult it is for people who are locked on site in territories in Africa or in Saudi Arabia or elsewhere in the world. So trust me, your sacrifices will not be forgotten. Last but not least, I want to assure you that we will prevail as an organization. We're going to pass through tough times, but we will get out of it stronger, like I said before. In order to overcome our challenges, we need to be calm, we need to be cautious, and most importantly, we need to work collectively. Again, I would like to thank you for listening. I look forward for other sessions like this. Please stay safe and take care of yourself.